Today, I'll show you how to set up a burn-down chart in Jira. A burn-down chart helps Scrum teams track how much work is remaining in a sprint. It shows whether the team is on track to complete the planned work before the sprint ends. First, open Jira and log into your account. Go to the Scrum project where you want to use the burn-down chart. Burn-down charts are usually available for Scrum boards because they are based on sprint progress. If you are using a Kanban board, you may not see the same burn-down report. Now make sure your project has a sprint created. Go to the backlog. Create a sprint if you do not already have one. Next, add issues to the sprint. These can be stories, tasks, bugs, or other issue types your team uses. To make the burn-down chart useful, add estimates to the issues. Most Scrum teams use story points or time estimates. Open each issue and enter the estimate in the correct field. After your sprint has issues and estimates, click Start Sprint. Set the sprint name, start date, end date, and sprint goal if needed. Now start working on the issues. As your team moves issues from to do to in progress and then to done, Jira will update the burndown chart. To view the burndown chart, go to the project menu and click Reports. Choose Burndown Chart, select the active sprint from the drop-down menu. Jira will show the remaining work compared to the ideal progress line. If the actual line is above the ideal line, the team may be behind schedule. If it is close to or below the ideal line, the sprint is usually on track. And that's it. You now know how to set up and view a burndown chart in Jira. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.